Hello. And the others of Leetcode 235, lowest common ancestor of a binary search tree. Okay, almost see we a binary search tree, right? BST. Lowest common ancestor and any node a year closest to 2 points no more mine, right? Remember you be a binary tree which is area 6. The more mine way, right? 2 8 4 now we are 0 3 and a 5 7 9 right. You say binary search tree no be here. I switch a node biano ebe on the right and a BBA switch a node biano so ebe on the left, right? The binary search tree way no you're finding the lowest common ancestor in the area mine 2 numbers, right? 2 and 8. Into 2 and 8 in the air common between them no 6, right? The binary search tree and we say BBA was into see a fan number be a number no a switching way, right? And I say switching way, number no switching way. Now say sign a switching left now. It means the lowest common ancestor no ebe wo baby foforo, right? Ebe wo left and I say right side. But say lowest number na and say between our two numbers we are, right? So between our two numbers we are, that's just and only the lowest common ancestor, because lowest common ancestor is the node that you're closest to the root from I assign linkage I mean anyway, right? In the question where younger side even though a medium a simple. So what say lowest common ancestor what a binary search tree as here say the switching node be on the right, the switching be on the left. Into lowest common ancestor and the first number node be between the value be between two values no there my head, right? Into young share we ever solve this question way, right? See the for current to say be a root, right? Into while current, right? If current dot var, the value of the current, right? If p val no eso chain current value na p val any, right? P val eso chain na q dot val so eso chain conditional, right? So number munini na say p ne q ni na so chain it means common lowest common ancestor na be right side nintini you be push current na right side, right? Into p val na so chain q val no so chain into be move p na right side, so current be equal to current dot right. Right, the other case now to say if p dot val a less than current dot val and q dot val a less than current value current back or left. Right, and yes idea as it just say is between the two, right? Into ever return current. Okay, into simple algorithm now no so me na so chain current node value na yanko left yanko right side, see me na so chain na yanko left side, and yes idea it won't fifi, right? And only the lowest common ancestor into and one that is how I solve lowest common ancestor. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.